Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a matter of pride for me to proclaim that my world is my life, my journey is my struggle, my failure is my strength, and yes, my success is my reward. My life was a complete package of pains and agonies, hard works and dedications, failures and success. But I thank God for helping me grow from failure to failure, and for my life to create a unique history of its own in the sands of time to be long fondly remembered. The world knows that I was born poor, but success makes me rich now. Yes, my life could be nothing easygoing than its own rough and tough kicks. Step by step, I started walking with many treating bags. Bit by bit, I started crawling with sleepings always got me high. Drop by drop, I started swearing that silently kills my heart and soul, my mind, my interests, and my life as well. I keep walking and working and working fearlessly with my strong faith in God always on hold. I lost my ways amidst of so many directions to turn. I do rest for a while and deeply pondering on my mind 100 times. What would be my next move? How to move, where to move, and what for to move ahead in life. I often ask myself these pertinent questions. Is there really any easy way that I could find? But lest I forget, in hope and faith, I could still see the light. In many stands, my life journey had always knocked me down on the ground. At times, I lost my strength and my interest to fight, as my body was completely brushes and bleeds and totally exhausted. A clarion call for a strong fight never makes me down. It pulls me up and always holding my hands so strong. It keeps pushing me forwards and make me more determined and focused. That call keep whispering in my ears with a strong and clear message that only those who dared to dream could win. My hard work and self-determination are the only wings beneath my wings that helps me flying far and high above beyond my reach and ability. Yes, my friends, half of my life is almost dead on its fight for success, but my courage and hope to win keeps burning warmly deep down in my heart. That's how my life could still breathe with its head held high. That made me slowly and steady win the race and reach the pinnacle of my own success. My dear friends, you must all know that true success will not just come easy in life without a strong, determined fight. We may have different obstacles and face different problems, but mind you, only those who never keep up a strong fight and say no to failures could be holding on it so tight. That's how my life journey from being a hopeless and outcasted boy in the community transformed to a well and perfect grown-up successful man of the world today. My own success after a long struggle in life could be my pride of many ups and downs. Amidst of pains and agonies, where my stiff hands still could holding on in faith, self-confidence and determination. Now that my life could live happily and independently, well on its own, with no regrets to lament, no more looking back or leaving behind nothing but success, and yes, only success for me to be presently lived and glorified and exalted. Success truly makes everyone's life so bright and colorful, bold and beautiful, and make each life cheers and smile with a beautiful joy and happiness in every situations of life at all times. Holding a bunch of beautiful flowers that keep scenting sweetly with beautiful fragrances and looks at life with breathtaking decorated life all around. My dear friends, that's my life, my story.